All right, folks, buckle up because today we're going to cut through the fluff and just get right to the nitty gritty on why you need to hire a virtual assistant to help operate and run your Airbnb slash short-term rental business. But first, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. You won't want to miss out on our no-nonsense advice for dominating this business.
2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to a million.
Let's cut to the chase. Managing a short-term rental business is a whirlwind between guest communications, calendar chaos, and maintenance madness. It really is enough to make your head spin. That's where a virtual assistant comes in clutch. Your virtual assistant, they're the real MVP of your operation. They're on the front line dealing with all of the guest inquiries, managing bookings, and putting out fires like the boss. And let's not forget about calendar chaos. Your virtual assistant has it on lock, optimizing your availability and squeezing every last dime out of your property for you. But wait, there's more. Virtual assistants also handle the dirty work behind the scenes. This includes a plethora of other tasks, such as bookkeeping, cleaning team management, and even maintenance work order creation when things get destroyed per stay. They are the real unsung heroes of your property management operation. Here's the deal. Outsourcing to a virtual assistant means less stress, more time, and bigger profits. It's like having a ninja on your team, handling the grunt work while you focus on scaling your empire. Bottom line, if you're serious about crushing it in the rental game, you need a virtual assistant, period. If this video gave you some serious aha moments, drop a comment, like and share it with all of your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to The Tatted Investor for no-nonsense tips about your rental business.
2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial.